Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Dabur Amla Hair Oil with me. But before proceeding ahead, do subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to get all videos from us. So let's start with the review. This is the small bottle of Dabur Amla Hair Oil. I had purchased this small bottle at supermarket nearby to my house. You can purchase this online as well as offline. The cost of this product is Rs 10. You will also able to see picture of Kareena Kapoor and below her photo you will able to see picture of Amla. According to them, this hair oil makes your hair stronger, longer and thicker. Now let's speak about the rare side of packaging. On packaging they have given the key ingredient of this product, that is amla in oil. I think they have hidden the ingredient list. If you want me to get bigger bottle, then do comment down below. The manufacturing date of this product is February 2020 and its expiry date is February 2023. The product is manufactured in India itself and it's a product of Dabur India Limited. They say that if you have any query about the product, then you can contact to them. The net volume of this product is 25 ml. Now guys, let's get to know about my experience about using this product. You will able to see how much I have used this product. Once I started using this product, initially my hair fall does get decreased, but as I continued this, my hair fall started again. Maybe this product is not meant for my hair type, but it might work for you. You may give it a try, but I recommend you to purchase small bottle first, just for your trial basis, and then you can go for bigger one. I will not go for bigger one as this oil doesn't work for me. I am not against this brand. I am just here to express my personal experience towards you. If you got positive result from this oil, then do let us know. That's all in this video guys. Do let me know which hair oil you use at home in comment section below, and if you like this video then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button. Thank you.